Hey guys, this is Al. Today I'm going to be talking about what is the best autoresponder for the money. All right, so there's a lot of big players out there in the autoresponder world. I have a lot of them in this presentation, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of the facts that you need to know about getting an autoresponder before you get it. All right, now here's the thing. You know about Aweber. You know about GetResponse. You may even know about Sendinblue. But have you heard about TrafficWave? This is the autoresponder that I use. This is the one that is, in my opinion, the most powerful and the best for your money. All right, now let me explain why I say that. All right, when you're considering an autoresponder, you're considering the features, you're considering the price, you're considering a lot of factors. It's ease of use. And what happens here is that there are some awesome autoresponders out there, but Traffic Wave combines every great feature about those autoresponders and puts it into one wonderful platform. Okay, now let me explain why I say that. All right, so let's talk about the price first, because we're going to talk about that. Yes, they offer a 30-day free trial. And you can go in to the back office, you sign up, you try out, you can send some emails out, and you can they also have lead capture pages that you can use that are already set up that you can customize for your brand and just make it your own. Okay. And then what happens is it's that's a standard thing, the 30-day trial. A lot of the companies offer a free plan, but they limit you in your ability to do a lot of the emails. It goes from unlimited down to like possibly just 3,000 or 2,000 emails. Some places they also say it's 500 emails a month, 300 emails, and it's ridiculous. All right. What happens here is that this price is permanent. 17.95 is permanent. Now, let me tell you why that's so important. Because a lot of times when you come in and they say, oh, it's going to be $8 or $13.99, as soon as you start building your list, then they say, oh, you got to move up to the next tier. And so the next tier is $25. The next tier is $50, or the next tier is $100. And then so what happens is you don't have fixed costs. You got fixed costs with TrafficWave, but you got variable costs with all of these other autoresponders that are charging you out the wazoo. Okay. Now, here's the thing. Yeah, you can send unlimited emails, but it's only to 500 people. Okay. So you're going to harass these 500 people. Well, what if you have a massive list? Okay. And what if you're building out and you're trying to get more than 500 customers? Then that means you're going to have to spend more and more and more. And that is the problem with all of the other autoresponders except for TrafficWave. Now let's talk about some of the features. All right, let's actually go. And I'm going to also mention the fact that you get unlimited subscribers with TrafficWave. Okay, so not only is it unlimited emails, it's unlimited subscribers as well for the same $17.95 price. And I'm also going to tell you before the end of this video how to I'm going to tell you a system for getting this waived for life. Getting this so you actually have a free autoresponder. So you stick to the end, and I will show you how to do that. All right, so let's go and look at the TrafficWave website, and let's talk about some of these features. All right, so let's get into it. The thing is that this service provides you with training videos in the back. If you've never set up a campaign before, if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know how to write decent ad copy so that you can get sales and conversions, they go and do that for you. When you go in the back office, they have everything there, and you just customize it for your organization or your product that you're offering. And then they have the video tutorials. Also, they have an icon-driven system. That means that they clearly, with colors and pictures, give you the information, so you're not going back there and like, where's my lead capture pages? Where's my this? Everything's labeled and put in a fashion so it's easy to understand. Okay, the way that you see how this website's designed, clean and easy to understand, that's the same way they carry it all the way through the back office as well. These people know what they are doing. Okay, and best of all, they give you the training and support. So if you have questions, you can call them. And training and support is free as part of that $17.95. All right, now I'm going to tell you that they do offer you a free plan trial, and it's $17.95 after that. But let me explain something about this 30-day trial. The 30-day trial only has two caveats, and I'm going to tell you what the two caveats are. And this is because a lot of people come over to an autoresponder and they go and they send out this massive amount of a list, and then they say, "Oh, let's move on to another autoresponder." Well, the thing is, you will not be able to load your massive list on there, spam the system, and leave because you're only allowed to load up your massive list if you are a paid member. So that's something to keep in mind. You can use all the other features except for one other thing as well, and that is that you cannot promote TrafficWave if you are not a paid member. Okay, so and why is that important? I remember I told you I was going to share with you how you can get your autoresponder for free, and I told you to stay to the end because, and you will be rewarded for staying to the end. This is why I said that, okay? Because this company, unlike Aweber, GetResponse, and all the other ones, they do not allow you to do this. And this is what I'm going to tell you. They do not allow you to actually get your account for free. Now, here's what I'm talking about. What happens here is that when you're using TrafficWave and you become a paid member, let's say you get an affiliate link and you start promoting it. They have something that's called a fast track bonus right here. And what happens is that means you get 100% of the new sale and sign up. So basically, let's just say that you wanted to sell this product or promote it. And what happens is they have an overview video here as well, so you can watch it. But what happens is you can actually have your monthly fee given back to you when you promote TrafficWave. Isn't that awesome? Now I'm going to make it even more awesome because they've done some amazing things. Now let's say that, let's go to the diagrams and show you this. All right. So after that, you also get residual monthly income. So all you need to do is get 3 sales. That's it. 3. And then you promote it with your affiliate link. You promote it on Facebook. You say, "Hey, look, guys, I found the best autoresponder on the market. Check this out." And that's it. And then let's say you get 3 sales, or you share it with other business owners or whatever. You tweet it out or whatever. People will see the value because when they see how much they're paying for their autoresponder and they see how little you're paying for yours, it's a no-brainer. And then what happens is you get these 3 sales. You got every time you sell it to one person, you get $6. So that means 3 people, you're making $18. That's the cost, basically, of your membership. So 3 people and you're free. Okay. And then of course and then if your link stays out there, you can still earn more money. And I mean, you can turn this into a 6-figure business by just giving out this information to people. All right. But that's what I wanted to share. There's also something else I wanted to share. If you buy this through my link, basically, you click the link below this video, I am going to provide you with a marketing mega bonus. Okay. It's called a mega bonus, but it's specifically a marketing mega bonus. I'm going to include some things in there that will help you to make money on an ongoing basis. Now, this is something that I'm offering to people who sign up with my link, but I'm also going to be offering it to people who watch this video. It's not going to be the same bonus as the people who signed up with my link, but I will give you a mega bonus. But the specific thing is I'm going to give the people who sign up with this link below this video, I'm going to give them a marketing bonus. If you just watch the video and you're like, "Al, I watched the video, I saw your review, send me the mega bonus," then I will send you the mega bonus. All you have to do is message me, or you can click the link, the other link below this video, and you can just put in your information right there, and I will send you that out. Okay. And if you want to get some training on how to make 10 grand a month, I will also, if you guys are interested in that, I will put a link in the description below this so that you guys can learn how to make 10 grand a month. Okay. All right, it's all free training. I'm not charging for anything. Everything's basically free, except you're going to pay the TrafficWave people, and you're going to get your TrafficWave account. Okay. All right, guys, that is what I have for you. You guys do what you got to do, make the money. Remember, market all the time and keep your head up, and remember to keep God first in your life. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great one.